Hello. Today, I would like to mention a demo which is open source and that demonstrate the capability of using LionWeb for working with SysML from multiple languages. And let me see if I can also share the screen. Apparently so. So this is code that is public. So if you go on github.com/lionwebio/sysml v2 demo, you will find this code with the main contributors are Nico, Mente, and Juliana. We'll set up the core of this demo, showing the interoperability with EMF, and if I remember correctly, they use both C# and TypeScript to process SysML code. What I added myself recently, just to demonstrate the capability of LionWeb, are two examples. One in which we create a SysML model Java, and this is basically the code to do it. It's a very simple model for an electrical vehicle system. In this case, we can define programmatically our model and eventually generate the model in LionWeb format. This same file can be opened and processed, for example, from Python. In this case, I'm not opening that file. I'm producing the very same file from Python to demonstrate that in both cases, the capabilities are the same. And in these cases, basically by referring to a LionWeb definition of the SysML2 language, by referring to that, we can automatically generate classes in Java that we can use to manipulate the different concepts. So all these classes are generated from the language definition automatically through a Gradle plugin. So all you need to do is writing basically these few lines where you can find the definition of the language. It will create all these classes that let you work with SysML, and then you can do different things, defining your model, saving them, loading them, transforming them, and using all the things that LionWeb enable you to do. For example, you can store them in the LionWeb server. For example, you can process them with editors that are compatible with LionWeb, and you can have multiple people collaborating in the same document. Very same mechanism is also available for Python. And so in this case, for example, you can imagine to do some manipulation, some processing from Java, some from Python, some from C#, some from TypeScript. All of these kindly offered by LionWeb. So very quick live, but I wanted to show a concrete example of what LionWeb enables you to do. In this case, we didn't even write the language, the SysML2 language for LionWeb. We just converted from EMF. So basically, whenever you have a meta model defined in EMF, you can convert it to LionWeb, then generate all the bindings for the different languages. And so you can get what EMF Word unfortunately couldn't deliver, that is very good multiple language support. While EMF has always been a Java first solution, as an afterthought, there have been some bindings, well, some porting to other languages that were not always on the same level of the Java original one. I'm being understating, let's say. So yeah, I hope that makes sense. Thank you. And if you're curious about LionWeb, just let me know. Always happy to chat. Have a great day. Bye.